One of the items that you're going to want to add to your bug out bag, or maybe even your backpacking bag, I've been putting together a fishing kit. Make sure you have a fishing license, but you can't take everything in your tackle box. It's just the way it is. So being compact is a must. Now this particular fishing case is really well made because it has the rubber seal going around it. You see that? And basically it keeps everything from getting wet inside. So I've got some bobbers, I've got some sinkers, some plastic worms. I got a little crayfish here, pikey minnow. I've even got myself a little Gerber knife, which those blades are replaceable. I could actually fillet a fish with that, believe it or not. And I've got kind of like a rubber fish here, is what I got. So that's what I got going on. Now this one here is just a big mep, if I want to try for something bigger, like a muskie or something. But that's my basic kit. So I can set up camp. I can then, well then I need a fishing rod, right? Now a fishing rod, I wanted my fishing rod in a case. Now this particular case is Hike Candy. I don't know. I'll have links in the bottom, guys. But this thing allows me, let me open this first. It's got a zipper all the way around. Okay. And it opens up. I'll show you this thing in a sec. But I've got a telescopic reel is what I got. And it's a really nice fishing rod. Okay, I'll even have a link to this if you prefer this. A lot of people prefer the open face. And I haven't used it yet. So you can tell right there, I have not used it. I just started putting this together. And I wanted something in the way of protecting it. I'm not sure I'm going to stick with this case. You know, because it kind of, I wish it had elastics or something, you know. I'm still looking for a decent case. If you know of a case, God, please let me know. Because I haven't found one. I don't want to stick this on the side of my pack and then have one of the eyes get caught or something and then end up breaking. But this pulls apart, run your string, run a leader, and you're good to go. Now you can put other things in this case if you choose. Which is really, really nice. I mean, it has this side too with a little zipper. I can put some stuff in here, you know. And then this pulls apart. See how that pulls apart? So it's literally designed to where you can put probably a couple more long rods in there and carry it in if you want. But this is what I've come up with so far. I'm not happy with this case, okay? I'll put a link to it, but I'm not happy with it. I'm still looking for something else. This is super cool. Look at this thing. I haven't tried this yet. I can't wait to try it. It's called the Lunker Hunt Phantom Spider. I mean, look at it. It's enough to give you the EBGBs, man. But it'll bounce across the top of the water, and we'll see what I get. And I was pretty impressed when I got this. Like, look at it. I think it's made out of rubber. Can I open that? Let's see if I can open it. There we go. Okay. And then this comes apart. Ooh. Oh my God. This thing is something. Look at this thing. That thing gonna get you. It's got two hooks coming around its ass there. Okay. The abdomen, or the ass, is puffy. It's like a rubber. I don't know. I get a few fish biting this, and I'm sure it'll wear out fairly quick. So, but we'll put him back in there. And that's a pretty cool lure there. Anyhow, think about putting together a fishing kit for yourself. And when this goes together, it kind of pulls out. like so. Grabs on, and we push down. It's nice and tight, and nothing's coming out of there. So think about a fishing kit you can throw in your pack. Don't go too heavy, and you may want to do some fishing when you're backpacking. Catch you guys on the next one.